In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your subscriptions and billing with ease. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or someone who's new to QuickBooks, understanding how to handle subscriptions and billing is crucial for maintaining your business's financial health. So let's dive straight into it. First, we're going to start by opening up QuickBooks. If you're not familiar with the URL, you can simply visit kbo.intuit.com and that will take you straight to the homepage. QuickBooks is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so whether you're accessing it via a desktop or a mobile device, the process is straightforward. Once you're on this page, you might have to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Always ensure that you use a secure connection and keep your login details confidential to protect your financial information. With QuickBooks open, your next step is to direct your attention to the Settings menu. You can typically find the Settings gear icon on the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu filled with various options that help customize and control many aspects of your QuickBooks experience. It's here that you have access to everything from account settings to advanced features for financial tracking and reporting. Now, in the drop-down menu from the settings, you'll want to click on Subscriptions and Billing. This section is specifically designed to manage your QuickBooks subscriptions and any billing-related information. Once you've clicked into this part, QuickBooks will display all the details regarding your current subscription. It offers transparency around what plan you're on, monthly charges you're incurring, and additional features that might be subscribed to. This interface allows you to easily see what you are paying for and make any adjustments if your business needs change. For instance, if you're scaling your business up or down, you might need more or fewer features, and this is the place where you can make those changes. Keeping your subscription current and relevant is vital not just for budgeting, but also for ensuring you have the tools you need to run things smoothly. That concludes today's guide on accessing and managing subscriptions and billing within QuickBooks. Hopefully, this has provided you with a clear pathway to navigate these critical components of QuickBooks. Remember, QuickBooks is a powerful tool for small business owners, and managing your subscription effectively can enhance productivity and keep costs under control. Feel free to rewatch this video or reach out to QuickBooks support if you have further questions. They're always there to help. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!